Hey, I'm Jeff. I have a 2016 BMW X6. It was built a few months before BMW started putting the NBT EVO system in cars, so I previously just had the NBT system with the old menus and interface, and notably I couldn't get Apple CarPlay support. So I worked with Rob at Retrofit My Bimmer and got a NBT EVO system. He had it pre-coded, so that I just had to do some relatively minor installation work. Probably the most difficult part was taking the dash apart, making sure not to lose any pieces, moving some cables. Other than that, it was up and running within a couple hours. So what I have now is the NBT EVO system, so you have the new menus. I don't need factory nav or connected drive. It's a 2016, so I wasn't really using the connected drive services, and I use CarPlay exclusively for navigation. So everything seems to work well. Oh, I was able to switch over my Sirius XM subscription, so I can do satellite radio now. But if I want to move into CarPlay, there are a number of ways to do that, including holding down the menu key, and then voila, you're in CarPlay, and you have full CarPlay support in the system, which is now what I use for nav, plus sending and receiving messages using Siri, phone calls. Everything is enabled here in CarPlay. There are a few aftermarket solutions that I looked at. Some I even played with that use, like some sort of shim between BMW system and the screen in order to give CarPlay support. Ultimately, I wasn't super happy with those because the audio quality for me never really sounded right. All those systems that I found anyway used the aux port. They basically spliced into the aux port in order to feed audio back into the original BMW system, for me anyway, it just didn't sound right. When I was talking on the phone, the microphone didn't sound right. So this system is fully integrated. It's 100% BMW. Everything sounds great, including the microphone, and I have really all the app features that I need available here in CarPlay, and easy installation, working great in my 2016 X6.